guys, welcome to your own channel, that is AK Services. Friends, the reason of this video that I am going to make is that I will teach you how you can earn in the data entry field and online marketplace. I am going to teach you that in data entry field, what work you can do, what type of work and projects you can do in data entry field and how you can do them. At first, I am going to set your mindset that on Fiverr, Upwork or any other online freelance markets, people thought that by doing any easy work like email scrapping, email finding, etc., can earn them lots of money. So that is absolutely false. You need to have some side business or job at first because you can hardly earn 3 or 4k max per month in this field because there is a hell lot of competition on the online marketplaces, so you have to work hard. And by following some techniques and tips that I will be surely going to cover in this video series, you can excel well in this field. So, also tell me your opinion regarding data entry field and its projects, anything in the comment section below, and I'll surely answer all the comments. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more upcoming and latest videos and interesting videos. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon below so you can get all the notifications about my upcoming videos. Till then, goodbye, stay tuned, see ya.